Hi everyone. So I go to the thrift store pretty regularly. At least once a week I stop by one, and I just haven't found anything, or the things I found are way too expensive for thrift store prices, and my favorite one's kind of far from me and I haven't been there in a while. So I got really lucky that this week I stopped by two and I actually found some decent stuff. So I found this little Jolie's sticker. It was 99 cents and I was like, I have to have it. Super cute, goes perfect with our little October. I still haven't taken Sunny to pumpkin patch, but I want to, so I was like, yeah, I need to grab that. So that was only $1. And then I found a Jack Skellington stocking. Jack is also one of my top favorite characters, because Nightmare Before Christmas is actually one of my top favorite movies. So I saw this and I'm like, I have to have that. And how much was this guy? He was $4, so I thought that was really good. We are going on a Disney cruise during December, so I always decorate the door, but my mom actually stuck me in a contest. Oh my gosh, so it's like has me kind of stressed. Like, you know, you do something for fun, and when you're doing something for like, you know, where you know other people are gonna come and see it, like, it just, I don't know, it's got me stressed. So Sunny Boy said that he wanted to do a Nightmare Before Christmas theme for our door, so I found that. And then somebody else had made these that they were there at the thrift store, so I picked them up. You can tell they're homemade, so this person like printed out little images and then, you know, just glued it on here. So I was like, you know what, I can work with this. So these were $4, I think. Yeah, $4. So it saves me from having to print them out. I wish Zero wasn't so covered, because I definitely want to put a pumpkin over his pumpkin nose. See, it's kind of hidden right there. So I'm going to see. I know Hobby Lobby sells like little like flat back pumpkins. So I kind of want to stick that over there. We'll have to see if I can get that to work. So I'm like, I can definitely work with these. We have a Jack. And we have a Sally. But you see, like, I need to fix that because I definitely don't want it like covering her face. And yeah, so I don't know. I want to see if maybe I could do like a Mickey head out of these. Nope, these are, yeah, that's not gonna work. So I'm definitely gonna add like little rhinestones to look like berries, but be in clusters that look like little Mickey heads. And then I'll just have to like put these up on the door or something. So we're gonna have to alter these. Maybe I'll do that on camera with you guys. And then I found this stocking that is Pooh Bear, but I'm pretty sure this is like a vintage Pooh Bear, because I'm like, look at the cord. And this one was $6. And then the tag right here, like, look at that tag. That looks like very like old school vintage. I wish there was a date on here. I don't see a date. No, I don't. So I don't even know like how old this is. I wish there was a date on here, but I think it's super, super cute. It's a little yellowed. I don't know if I can wash this or not, but yeah, I was like, oh my gosh, he has to come home with me. I'm a sucker for like a lot of things, but like stockings or something. Like, I have a ton of stockings, like especially Disney stockings. I just have to have. And then they had a bunch of these little books. Oh, they were 99 cents. So I think I bought like 30 of these. I was thinking for crafting to like alter these, but then on the Disney cruise, they do like a gift exchange that you can sign up for on Facebook, and we did sign up. So I'm gonna alter these and send these as gifts. So I thought they were really nice to have, you know, and we journal like our trip. So I thought this might be like fun to journal in, because you could write like the date and then, you know, the day here, and then, you know, what the weather was like, and then like journal that day. So I'm definitely going to keep a set for us, but then, you know, like I said, go ahead and, you know, like alter it a little bit. I don't know if I should paint them or just add paper to them and then maybe like a sticker or something. So I'm gonna have to play around with it and see what I end up doing. But I thought for 99 cents that this was a super good deal. It has your little post-its here. There's little pockets over here. Oh, see, on some of the other ones, they were kind of falling apart, so I'm gonna have to add a little bit of glue there. There's a pen. I was wondering if the pens work. I don't want to waste it on this one. Let me see. Oh man, I don't know if the pens work. I might have to go get pens from Dollar Tree then. I loved how it matched, but yeah, that doesn't look like it's gonna work. So I'm gonna have to get some Dollar Tree pins to replace this pin. Oh, that's so sad. Cause I liked how it matched. Maybe there's a video on like how to get your ink flowing again. Maybe it's just like old and stuck. I have no idea. So I'm gonna have to play with that, figure that out. But I just thought they were a really cute set for $1. And you know, just a couple stickers, couple papers, and it'll be Disney themed. Let's see. Oh, my last little item here was $1, right? Yes. So it was $1, and I was like, you know what? Those look cute for $1. Let me snatch that up and see what's all in there. Oh, I think there's bags in there. I didn't even see that. Okay, got that open. So we have, oh, glow in the dark tattoos. This is cool. You can use this on acetate and make it like be decorated, or you could even put like the tattoos like on these little plastics or on like the glass jars that they sell at Dollar Tree. I've done that before, so I'll definitely use this on like some glass stuff, so that's cool. And then there are little Halloween baggies, which I can never have enough baggies. This is like something else that I like hoard. Oh, happy birthday of what is this, Harry Potter, so that's cool. Then we have, it's a 27-piece cake Halloween. So I just really wanted like the little pieces from it. So I think this was a super good deal for $1. They had other stuff similar. Oh, these are nice and thick. They had other ones that were similar that somebody had priced at like $5. And I was like, no, thank you. And then this was the last one that I had pulled out. Oh my gosh, I love those cats. And this one was only $1. So I was like, okay, yes, this one is going into my basket. So I love that for $1. I think that's pretty dang good. So happy I got that. And then I also went to Goodwill, which is super hard to score anything from there because they're so expensive. So Dollar Tree has these like toolbox, and they actually had them there for $3.99 a piece. I'm like, Goodwill is crazy. There was other Dollar Tree items for like $2.99. There were, okay, one cup was broken, one was not, but it had like vinyl printed Jack Skellington on it, but it looked like a Dollar Tree cup. And then one of them, the lid was broken and the other one wasn't, but they were personalized. And yeah, you could just take the vinyl off of the name, but they still wanted $7. I'm like, oh my gosh, you guys are crazy. But I did find for $4 a Eeyore little Easter basket. So I was like, oh my gosh, yes, he has to come home with me. This guy I want to wash too. He's a little like dusty and crusty, but yeah, I was like, I need him. So let me see, does this have a year? No, I don't think so. Oh look, this one says made in China and the other one said made in Korea, I think. So that's pretty cool. I'm happy I found that. Like I said, I love anything Disney. I have to have. And then the last item that I got from Goodwill was $6, $5.99, but it was like a whole little like mystery. Oh, I didn't even see leaves down here. It was a whole little mystery, and I was like, you know what? For $6, I'll risk it because I saw the closed pack of Post-it notes, which I actually did need. I was going to buy some. It was on my buy list. And then there was this box of hearts. So I'm like, you know what? I'll take it. There's Harry Potter up here. I've been wanting to take Sunny to Universal Studios to go see like the whole little like Harry Potter land. So I'm like, I'm going to take it because, you know, it was like $1. I'm like, that's already half of it. So let me just go ahead and get it. Okay, I had to make room on my desk so you can see. So this is awesome. Pizza I definitely need, and burgers and tacos, so that's awesome. I think that's from Dollar Tree. Oh, I don't think I've seen this one, this little Crafter Square planner sticker. That's cool. I don't think I've seen that before. Oh wow, there's more on the back. So that's pretty good. So we know that's at least $1.25 right there. Oh, there's actually more Dollar Tree stickers in here. So we got little like cactus with kitties. Oh my gosh, this totally looks like California vibes right here. So I love that. This is really cool. Oh, look at the watermelon. I don't think I've seen this pack either. Oh, this one I've actually bought before. The little butterflies. I think they're so pretty. I should be using the orange ones right now for Halloween. I forgot that I had even bought those. See, that's why I need to finish getting my life organized so then I can know what I have. Oh, I like the burgers. Let's see. I don't know where this is from. It might be Walmart. Ooh, that was $5. No, thank you. Oh, yes. There's Dinos, pizzas, burgers. Oh my gosh, I totally need this. How cute. They got like little eyes. Oh my gosh, I'm totally going to put actual googly eyes on them. Oh my gosh, that lion. He's so cool with his glasses. Oh, I actually really like this. And it only looks like a couple of stickers are even missing. There's not very many stickers missing at all. I didn't even see the pig. Look at how cute. Oh my gosh, that little like parrot dude with the glasses. Okay, I hate birds because I was attacked by a bird. But he's actually kind of cool looking with his little glasses. I'll have to give that to my grandma. So there's that one. What is this? American Girl. I don't know anything about American Girl. Oh, look, there's a little bead right there. Gotta keep that. So, yeah, I don't know anything about these girls. This I don't know what to do with. Yeah, this one doesn't have very many stickers missing either. Oh, I guess it kind of does. Maybe I could use it for like an ATC card or something. How much was this? I don't think it says, but there's that one. There is, ooh, I like this. Is this a sticker? Can I take this off? Maybe, huh? I like how that feels. I like the texture. Oh, cute. So the Squishmallow, I actually have a Baby Yoda on my bed that I got at Costco. I think it was like 20 bucks. And that's the only little like Squishmallow that I have. Yeah, see, not very many stickers are missing out of this one either. Oh, I like the little moo cow. Little bee. That's kind of cute. Is there a pig in here? Oh, I like the shark. Oh, I love like little words. Like little like sentiment stuff like this. That page I'll definitely have to keep. But yeah, I don't know if I would necessarily use this. Oh, the little black cats I can use for like Halloween, but... yeah, not too much going on in there. Okay, so there's that. Oh my gosh, look, $4 for this one. Does this have a price on it? Oh, this is from Geppetto's. That store is expensive. There's little pet stickers. Oh, again with the like crazy eyes. Oh my gosh, that's what my puppy looked like when he was younger. And then my cousin has a dog that looks like that. I'll have to post a picture. My puppy he's not a puppy, he's like 5, but he's our smaller dog, so we call him Puppy. He hates new beds, and I bought him a Haunted Mansion Doom Buggy bed. I was so worried he wasn't gonna like it, and he loves it so much. So I'll try to remember to post a picture in oh, this one's got pigs. I'll try to remember to post a picture in what is it called? Like my community tab of him and his little Doom Buggy. He's so stinking cute. Got like jungle. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of sticker books in here. Or a lot of, yeah, sticker books. And hardly any of them are even used. What is this one? So like this one, I don't think I'll really use. I need a de-stash. I'm gonna start building like little like blind boxes and just de-stashing. This is like my whole childhood right here, and not one sticker is missing out of that. I'm totally keeping that one. Oh, blue flower. Sorry this video is taking kind of long. I know this little cat guy is like pretty popular too. Oh, there's another Harry Potter in here. Right, that's not the original one. Oh my gosh, I'm so keeping that. A couple missing out of there. Where's that other one? Oh, here it is. So here's the one that was on the front. Oh my gosh, I don't even think this one's even used at all. Nope, not at all. $4 for these. Wow, that's a lot of money. Oh, there's like little stretchy cord to make bracelets. I actually need this because I'm going to be making some bracelets for a Disney cruise and just like giving them out for fun. So perfect. So happy that was in there. Oh, there's more cord. Perfect. I need that. And then, oh, there's a nice little bead right here for Christmas. I always need tape. I'm always losing tape. So I was happy that this had tape in there. So we are definitely going to use that. Oh my gosh, are these magnets? These aren't even opened. 80 pack of magnets for crafts. Oh, they're really thick though. Like I can't use that for like an album, but look, it actually works pretty good. Look at all the little like findings. So there's little findings in there. What is this? Like a 3D laser printer of little envelopes. Maybe for clay. I don't know what that's for. No way, you guys. They have little spider web charms in here that look like they were 3D printed. Oh my gosh, so I just need to get my pokey tool and just poke out all these pieces. Oh my gosh, there's like at least 8 in there. That is awesome. I'm definitely going to be making a chunky charm. Ooh, I like these for like Christmas. Little red beads. Oh my gosh, this was so worth the $6. Some silver jump rings. We have some smaller like little dark red beads. Maybe that means it was $4, or was there 400 pieces? No, that can't be 400 pieces, right? It's gotta be like $4 that they bought it for. Oh my gosh, how cute. There are like little peppermint slices, but these are big. They're probably like the size of a nickel. We have some seed beads in here with some thread. Oh my gosh, I don't have any of these. These are little leaf, but I don't know if you can see, like there is a hole at the top. So you can add it to like a chunky charm or a jump ring. I don't even own those, so that's awesome. We got turtles, and there is some turtles down in the bag. So they go sideways. That'd be kind of cute because it looks like he's like swimming. Maybe do like some ocean themed beadable pins because that hole is pretty large. Or a pokey tool. So the 24 pieces. I don't think there's 24 pieces in there though. Oh, okay. This is where those jump rings and other little pieces came from. So this is a little twist top. Nope, maybe not. Oh man, it's all mixed though. So there are gold jump rings, silver jump rings. Oh, look at that. Bow's cute. Yeah, see, here's some of those like eye screws that were over here. What is that? Oh, an earring of a butterfly. I'll take that apart and use the butterfly. So yeah, just a whole little like mix there. Oh my gosh, this was so worth the $6. How cute is this? I kind of want to keep it. So it's like a little baggie, and it has a little fishy in there. That is super cute. It reminds me of Finding Nemo. You know, Dollar where she's like, "Fishy, why are you sleeping?" That's what that reminds me of. Oh, look, perfect. See, look, $1.24. I just say because I did need these. Those are from Dollar Tree. Oh, there's like little puppy charms. There's 3 in there. Ooh, more tape. Yes, I always need more tape. Oh my gosh, there's still more stuff. Cool, more elastic to make more bracelets, a rainbow, a little flower. I need that. Oh, look, a little earring of what are these? Like boba drink. That'd be cute if you're doing like a summer little vibe. And then look, totally closed. Oh my gosh, I scored, you guys. Oh, there's orange hearts in here too. So like a little rainbow pack of heart beads. That is awesome. This was so worth the $6. I'm so happy that I decided to get it because I honestly wasn't gonna get it. I'm like, you know what, you have enough crap, girl, don't get it. But then I was like, nope, I want the little Harry Potter stickers, and I actually do need sticky notes. So I'm like, let me just go ahead and get it because I need to spend money on that stuff anyways. And it ended up being so worth it. I'm so happy that I grabbed that. So that's our little video for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.